ipak organik material bo'lib, yozda u badanni salqinlashtiradi, qishda issiq qiladi. Avvalan, hozir ham kelajakda ham ipakni joyini almashtiradigan mato yo'q.
Silk has long been woven into life along the Silk Road, prized for its softness, strength, and natural sheen. It became a marker of comfort, status, and connection. Centuries on, it remains one of the region's defining materials. Our journey begins in Margilan, in Uzbekistan's Fergana Valley, at the Gold Silk Factory in Margilan. The entire process is handled in-house. Cocoons are sourced, spun into fine threads, then carefully washed and prepared.
Menga berilgan gulni hisob kitob qilib, xuddi o'sha gulni chiqaraman. Ishimizni boshi mana shu, davra deyiladi. Necha metr deyilsa, o'shani qo'yib, to'quvga tayyorlab beraman.
The next stage in silk production is drawing the motifs. What appears simple at first glance demands experience and a deep understanding of pattern.
Gulini chiqarib, xatga qanaqa rang kerakligini belgilab berish bizning vazifamiz. Eng mas'uliyatli jarayon desa bo'laveradi. Biz adashib qolsak, biz noto'g'ri qilib qo'ysak, oxirigacha noto'g'ri ketadi. O'shaning uchun hammasini aniq, shashilmay, chiroyli qilib chiqarish kerak.
From cocoon to clothes, everything happens in one continuous flow, right behind me. No shortcuts, no breaks, just a process that builds layer by layer into something you can finally see and touch. The factory also produces silk items on individual order, tailoring each piece to specific designs and client needs.
Baxmalimizni 80%ni eksport qilamiz. Asosiy eksport qiladigan mamlakatimiz Turkiya. Hozir karvonsaroy quryapmiz. Bu qurishdan maqsad kelgan sayyohlarga markazni ko'rsatib, yotoqxonamiz bor, mehmonxona. Shu mehmonxonada kelgan sayyohlar qolib, o'sha karvonsaroyda muzeylarda tomosha qiladi.
Each year, the Fergana region produces around 2,900 tons of cocoons.
Qo'qon xonligi davrida azaldan ota-bobolarimiz ipakchilikni rivojlanishida pillani chiqindilari bo'ladi. Chiqindilaridan tabiiy qog'ozlar ham ishlab chiqarilgan va buni bugungi kunda urg'u qaratdikki, mana shu ipak qog'ozini yaratish bo'yicha olimlarimiz ish boshlashdi va buni natijasi o'laroq bugun Qo'qon ipakchilik qog'oziga ham ega bo'ldik.
Living in the Fergana region, where silk is still brought to life, the journey follows the path it once traveled for centuries. In Bukhara, it became part of the city's identity, shaped by trade, tradition, and exchange along the Silk Road.
Bu 100% ipakdan qilingan, bunga 4 kishi mehnat qiladi. Ipak matosini eni juda ham ingichka bo'ladi, 40 cm, 38 cm. Bu shu ornamentni olish uchun imенно ipakni matoni o'rtasi olingan, bir xil bo'lishi uchun. Har bir oyoq kiyimiga 5 soat, 6 soat sarflanadi.
As Nutya Shok explains, working with silk encourages creativity, influencing how each piece is imagined and made.
Ipak mato bilan ishlashning chegarasi yo'q. Qancha ishlayversangiz ham shuncha g'oyalar, shuncha yangi asarlar yaratish keladi.
Here, in this showroom in Bukhara, the journey of silk reached its final stage. Fabrics woven from delicate threads are transformed into clothing, scarves, and accessories, showing how a centuries-old craft continues to shape everyday design. Leaving Bukhara, the story of silk moves further west to Khiva. In this historic city, the craft becomes interactive. A dedicated silk museum established 2 years ago brings together the full story, from its origins to its production and evolution. At this small museum in Khiva, the whole journey of silk happens in one courtyard. Threads are spun, colors mixed, and visitors can tie the loop with their own hands.
Master klassimizda ko'p turist tashrif buyuradi. Bizning muzeyimizda eng qiziqarli master klassimiz sharf bo'yash. Tabiiy ranglardan foydalanib, turistlar o'zini shunday yaxshi his etadilar. Bu sharflar odamning ichidagi his-tuyg'ularini namoyon etib beradi.
Visitors can take part in activities such as extracting silk thread from cocoons and dyeing scarves.
İpagimizni boshqa O'zbekiston hududlaridan farqi bu uning yorqin va yumshoq ko'rinishida. Ipagimiz inson salomatligi uchun foydali hisoblanadi. Har bir ayol kiyganda uni gormonlari o'z joyiga keladi.
What starts as a cocoon is transformed through a precise, multi-stage process into a finished textile. Today, silk production in Uzbekistan continues to combine traditional knowledge with contemporary approaches, sustaining a craft that remains relevant in modern life.